I lived less like a workhorse, more like a slave. I thought that one quick moment that was noble or brave would be worth the most of my life. So I pointed my fingers and shouted a few quotes I knew, as if something that's written should be taken as true. But every path I had taken and conclusion I drew would put truth back under the knife. And now the only piece of advice that continues to help is anyone that's making anything new only break something else. When my time comes, to pay for my successes with all my defeats. And if heaven was all that was promised to me, why don't I pray for death? Well, now it seems like the unraveling has started too soon. Now I'm sleeping in hallways and I'm drinking perfume, and I'm speaking to mirrors and I'm howling at moons, while the worse and the worse that it gets. Or you can judge the whole world on the sparkle that you think it lacks. Yes, you can stare into the abyss, but it's staring right back. When my time comes, it lacks. Yes, you can stare into the abyss, but it's staring right back. When my time comes,